Hi guys, hello everybody. Have a prettiest morning, have a great time to all of you and welcome to our YouTube channel that is Edumotion Tutorials, the power of education. This is a pure educational YouTube channel and we will provide you the best of the best quality and high-tech education. So please guys, subscribe our channel, like it, share it as much as you can and please comment it because your small step of a response, it will an empowerment of us and it will encourage us to provide you the best educational services. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Telegram as well as Twitter with the same brand name in India, that is Edumotion Tutorials, the power of education. So keep watching and don't forget to press the bell icon. It will provide you the new notifications and we will be glad to provide you the educational services. Hi guys, hello everybody. Welcome back to our channel with the new and essential grammatical topic, that is the subkind of pronoun, and it is interrogative pronoun. As we are studying about the subkinds of pronoun, already 4 are studied and today's fifth subkind of pronoun, that is interrogative pronoun. Interrogation and pronoun. What is these interrogative pronouns? What are their uses, their examples, and what is the exact definition and meaning of this interrogative pronoun? This all essential part related to the interrogative pronoun, it will be seen in today's video. So let's move towards our interrogative pronoun. Interrogation means a question and pronoun means a word which is used instead of a noun. So interrogative pronoun, as we know in English language, there are some question words. They belong to the WH type family, means WH type words are there and they are called as a question word because they are always used to frame a question. They make a question, that is why they are question words. But out of those all question words, few of them they are called or they are considered as interrogative pronoun. So what is the reason? Why are they called as interrogative pronoun? Some words are there which are given here. That is who, whose, whom, which, what and where. These words are basically interrogative words. They are the WH type words. But these words are also called as interrogative pronoun because interrogative pronoun means such type of the WH type words or interrogative words. They frame a question to ask or to inquire about a particular noun, means about a subject, about an object, about any place or about any person. That is why these words are called as interrogative pronoun. Simply अशा पद्धतीने आपण सांगू शकतो की WH टाइप वर्ड्स म्हणजेच WH टाइप फॅमिलीला बिलॉंग करणारी क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स, परंतु ह्या सगळ्या क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स पैकी इथं दिलेली जी क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स आहेत याच वर्ड्सला फक्त इंटरोगेटिव्ह प्रोनाउन म्हटलं जातं. त्याचं कारण हे आहे की ज्यावेळेस ही प्रश्न तयार करतात त्यावेळेस ती कुठल्या तरी एखाद्या विशिष्ट नाउन बद्दल इन्क्वायरी करतात, म्हणजेच एखादी वस्तू, एखादं ठिकाण, एखादा सब्जेक्ट किंवा ऑब्जेक्ट कशाही बद्दल ती माहिती विचारत असतात. त्या पर्टिक्युलर नाउनच्या जागेवरती वापरलेली असतात. दॅट इज वाय these all are the interrogative pronouns. These words are called interrogative pronouns. Basically they are the interrogative words. They are question words or WH type words. But when they are used in a question, that time definitely the answer of that question is a noun. It means in the place of that noun, those all words are used in the form of a question. That is why they are pronoun. They are used in a question. That's why they are called as your interrogative pronoun. सरळ साध्या सोप्या भाषेमध्ये एका वाक्यामध्ये आपण याला लक्षात ठेवू शकतो की अशा पद्धतीची शब्द जेव्हा प्रश्न तयार करण्यासाठी वापरली जातात तेव्हा त्या प्रत्येक प्रश्नाचं उत्तर हे एक विशिष्ट नाउन असतो. याचा अर्थ हा आहे की त्या नाउनच्या जागेवर त्या नाउनसाठी ही शब्द वापरलेली असतात. ती प्रश्नाच्या रूपात असतात, म्हणून त्याला प्रश्नार्थक सर्वनाम असं म्हटलं जातं. इट इज सो सिंपल अँड इन केस ऑफ इट्स डेफिनेशन अँड मिनिंग, all about the definition of interrogative pronoun that is already given here. This is the definition of interrogative pronoun. It is so simple. So many WH type words are there, but few of them which are given here, they are considered as WH type words as well as interrogative pronoun, because their answer is always a noun. It means they refer a particular noun. That's why they are the pronoun, and they are in a question form. That's why they are interrogative pronoun. That is all about its definition. In case of the examples of interrogative pronoun, as I recently told you, which are also given here, who is there, and two words which are made with the help of who, that is whose and whom. Then which, again what, as well as where. These all words, they are considered as interrogative pronoun because they are proved as per our definition. The answers of those all words, when they are used in a question, that time that is a particular noun. That is why these all words are interrogative pronoun. In case of their Marathi meaning, because they are always used as per their expression and their meaning in our language. That is why who means कोण, whose means कोणाचे, whom means कोणाला, which means कोणते, what means काय, and where means कुठे. These all are the meaning. They are used as per their meaning to frame a question. When they are used in the form of a question, that time definitely their answer is a noun. That's why they are our interrogative pronoun. And examples are given here. In every example, the first word of every question, that is interrogative pronoun, because the answer of that particular every question, that is a typical or specific noun, and in the place of that noun those all words are used which are given here in the beginning, and that is why they are our interrogative pronouns. These are the examples of interrogative pronouns. परंतु या शब्दांपैकी काही शब्द जे अगोदर आपण रिलेटिव्ह प्रोनाउन मध्ये ऑलरेडी स्टडी केलेला आहे, त्यामध्ये हु आहे, विच आहे, हुज आहे आणि हुम आहे. ही जी शब्द असतात, या शब्दांना अशा प्रकारे क्वेश्चन मध्ये न वापरता वाक्याच्या मधोमध मिडल मध्ये वापरलं जातं. ते पर्टिक्युलर एखाद्या नाउनला रेफर करतात, जिथं त्याच शब्दांचा रोल असतो रिलेटिव्ह प्रोनाउन. परंतु इंटरोगेटिव्ह प्रोनाउन मध्ये फक्त आणि फक्त ते क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करतात. ऍज लाईक these all examples are given here. This was all about interrogative pronoun. It is so simple. काही शब्द फक्त लक्षात ठेवायचे आहेत. And these words means who, whose, whom, what, where and which. These 6 words are there. They are called as interrogative pronoun. Simply when they are used in a question in the beginning of that question as a question word, that time they are interrogative pronoun. What is the reason? The reason is that the answer of that every question is a noun. It means those all words are used as a substitute of that noun. That's why they are our interrogative pronoun. It is so simple. Okay, that was all about interrogative pronoun. Thank you very much, and please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt or query, you may comment me in the comment box. If you have to need the PDF notes of those all parts which are given in the videos, you also can text me and it will be easily available for you. Once again, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like our channel, and please press the bell icon to get the new updates and videos. Thank you very much.